What you doing? Trying to eat the lemon? Does that taste good? Yum?
Yum, 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 yum. What do you think?
Yum, 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 yum. See the more lemons in the pan?
I've got the one.
Did you have fun today at Gymboree with Grandma? Grandma said you crawled up a slide, not even crawling, that you were basically in standing position, crouched over.
Wow.
And yes, today is the day of your first big poop that came out while Mommy was changing your diaper all over everything.
That's not
Daddy
the first
missed
time
it.
that's happened.
Daddy missed
It's
it.
happened to Daddy before.
Oh, and then when Mommy picked you up to put you on the floor for a minute, you pooped all over the floor.
Fluffy head. Hi, boo. Oh, Daddy can have it? My back?
Mommy and Daddy love Riley.
Gotta eat the lime now.